Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mark. How are you guys doing? It is currently pretty much 8 o'clock, 7:59. Pretty much 8 o'clock. I'm at my boy John's house. You guys have seen John before, I think you've seen John before. But anyway, I'm at John's house, and we're going to pick up a car. If you guys are seeing this video, that means I got the car. If you're not seeing this video, I didn't get the car. Here, hey, there's John. Hey, John. This is my boy. Hey! I don't know what's going on. Anyway, if you're seeing the video, I got the car. If you're not seeing the video, I didn't get the car. I'll explain it to you guys. It's a Nissan 350Z, 2003 Nissan 350Z. I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys. You know, not gonna keep anything from you. So it's got 116,000 miles. It's manual transmission. I'm paying $5 grand for it. Now the reason why it's so low is because it won't rev past 2,000 RPMs. I did my research. Apparently it's either a MAP sensor or your cats are clogged, but you could also just read the codes. I bet that guy probably just didn't do that. And you could just read the codes and figure out what's wrong with it, what's causing it to do that, and fix it. I'm sure it's not gonna be too much of an expensive fix. I'm not sure if it has a clean title or not. I kind of hopped on it as fast as I could because I knew it was gonna go soon. Sure enough, he's been like, hey, could you come up today? Are you coming up today at noon for sure? And I was all like, yeah. And I know it's because he has somebody else freaking all up in his booty hole like, hey man, let me get the car, bro. And it's just like, no, give me the car. So anyway, we're driving 4 hours away in New Hampshire to New Hampshire. We're in Connecticut. We're driving 4 hours away to go get this car. It better have a clean title. That's all I have to say. It better have a clean title. If he has swapped out the motor, that's fine. Don't care. If it has a little bit of rust, don't care. Frame damage, I do care, so hopefully it doesn't have that. I didn't really ask many questions, guys, because like I said, I wanted to hop on it as fast as I could. But anyway, we got to go grab a trailer because we don't have one and we can't drive it since it won't rev past 2,000 RPMs. We got to go grab a trailer. Then we're on the way to New Hampshire. I'm sure we're going to stop to get food or something. I'm not going to film the actual transaction because I don't think he's going to be comfortable with filming me in front of him. So, but after that, I will film you guys an update, and then I'll give you a short little walk around of the car. It's going to be dark out by the time we get it back here, and so I can't give you the best little walk around. I'll do a separate video for that. Anyway, guys, let's go, baby. I'm getting a 350Z. Johnny Boy's back. Yeah. Hey. Let's get this show on the road.
Get in the zone, auto zone.
That was good, wasn't it? We're at AutoZone. John's getting some oil for the old beast. For the old Ford beast. Yes, sir.
So excited.
Alright, so I'm underprepared, guys. So we got the trailer, we rented the trailer, but I don't have a tow hitch. So we had to come all the way to O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. Yeah! And we gotta get a tow hitch. Oh man. That's good. I'm still so excited though. All these side steps, don't care. Alright, we got the tow straps because you know we stay strapped. And we got John back here putting on the hitch. Yeah, buddy. So excited. I'm so freaking excited. Thank you, O'Reilly's, coming in clutch. Man, I'm about cheesing right now. It is absolutely freezing out here, but I'm making John do all the work. Look at that. No, it's like goodbye to the beautiful Evo. I was trying to show you guys this Evo. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see it.
That's so cool.
That thing is so gorgeous. Copper, watch out, Evo. Guys, we're on our way. Look at this.
Boston. We're in Boston.
We're in Boston. We're on our way. We have 3 hours and 8 minutes left. I'll update you guys some more, show you guys some more cool cars on the way there, because we've already seen 2 now. It's been that Civic and the Evo. Both have been clean as fuck. So if there's any other clean cars, I'll try and get a video of it. Oh boy, food vlog, baby. Look at that. Woo! Ruger's barrels. We got the weird little hash browns. John got the Sammy.
It's gas.
What's the other Sammy? Straight 10 out of 10 from Ruger's Bagels. If you're ever up in Vermont, Ruger's Bagels. I keep saying barrels. Oh my god, gentlemen. We are literally, what, 1 minute away?
1 minute.
1 minute.
0.7 of a mile.
That's insane. And we are literally so close to this guy's house. It's literally snowing up here in New Hampshire. I don't know if you guys can see that. It was just snowing terribly back there, but we're buying a Z in the snow. Yes, sir. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I can't hold it in. Jesus, because we're so close. We're so close. I can't film the actual transaction though, guys, because I don't know if that guy's okay with that, and I don't want to ask him. But I'll update you guys if we get it. You'll see it on the back, and so yeah. Alrighty, guys. So we got the car. Let's go. All right, we got it all strapped out and secured and everything. So now I'll show you everything about it. Woo! First of all, we do have a bump. We have the bumper and the hood are both in here. They're god awful like hoods and bumpers, but they are there, so we do have them to put on there. First of all, he's got a nice little K&N intake in there. Now listen, this is a swap motor. All right, that's not the original motor, so there is some things in here that I'm going to check and make sure everything is straight, everything is doing good. Besides that, we looked underneath it. I can't show you guys right now. I'll have to get it on a lift or something. And there's barely any rust. There is some surface rust, but no actual, like, nothing that's going through the car. These taillights are just so ugly. I don't know why he put these weird taillights on there, but I'll trade those. We're on the side of the road right now, so we have to be kind of careful. We got, so, little backstory about the car. One, it is a 350Z, so that's sick. We love 350Zs. Who doesn't love 350Zs? It does have a manual transmission, which is perfect. That's what I wanted. It has 108,000 miles on the motor. It is a rebuilt title. So yeah, there's some things that are wrong with the car for sure. But it's a project. You know, I got it for $5,000. You guys can say in the comments, you know, oh, that's a bad idea, that's a bad idea. I don't care. I like the car. I wanted the car. I got the car. It's hard to find a manual 350Z for 5K, and especially with the amount of miles that this thing has on it. Yes, it does have a rebuilt title, but still, very good deal, I believe. Frame, absolutely no crinkling or anything like that going on with the frame. The frame is completely fine, so it wasn't, I mean, it might have been an accident, but if it was in the front, it didn't do any frame damage, so that's good.
Brakes and everything.
Yeah, we got, oh, John just said we got new brakes.
Got a new wheel cylinder.
Got a bunch of new stuff in there. I'm so stoked, boys. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I cannot freaking wait to get started on this thing. There is so much that needs to be done to it. I mean, this fender, if you can see right here, literally is not attached. So we gotta fix certain things like that.
It's attached, just needs one bolt.
This headlight, not attached.
Oh well, no, Mark, right here, you see, right there.
Yeah, there's some slight fixes. We have zip ties all over the freaking place, all over God's creation, but those are all to hold down the wires. Literally all these zip ties are only there to hold down wires. They're not there to actually hold down body parts, so that's good. I love the fact that he had the bumper off because it gave me a clear access to the frame. I can see the frame perfectly, and that was the one thing I was worried about. That was it. I knew it had a salvage title. I knew it had different motor in there. I didn't really care. People swap out VQ motors all the time. It's pretty relatively simple to do, and even if he didn't do it correctly, I'll check everything myself, make sure everything's in there good anyway. On this side, the frame is perfect as well. Absolutely no problem with the frame, and that's literally all I was worried about was the frame. And since the frame was fine, I took it. Now, funny story, you guys are gonna think this is ridiculous. The guy goes to show me that the car can drive, and I kid you not, the hood just flies open and cracks the windshield. Look at this. This just happened. This crack in the windshield and this dent in the fender and these broken brackets just happened. He literally was driving it, the hood was on, the hood flies up and busts open the windshield. I was like, all right, so I'll get 500. I was going to pay 5,500, got it for 5K because of that. I was like, sure, works for me. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna stop now because we're gonna get back in the truck. It's freezing out here. We have a 4-hour drive home, so we got to get on the road. But I'm so excited. I cannot wait to start this project with you guys. Thank you guys, everybody that's been here with me. Holy damn, it's cold though. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so as you can tell, it is not the same day anymore. I decided, this guy, look at this, look at this guy. Interrupting my whole video, just driving by at like 2 miles an hour with this extremely loud Chevy HHR. Anyway, I got the Z here. I want to show you guys it better in person. And it's light out now, so I'm just, like, I didn't want to show you guys, I wanted to show you guys so bad last night and just like took a video of it, but it was so dark you couldn't see anything, and so I decided to just wait until today. I'm not gonna, this isn't gonna be like a full in-depth like what's going on with the car, but just look, boys, just look. Oh my good god. So a little backstory on this car. Like I said, I'm gonna be transparent with you guys. I paid $5 for this car. It does have a hood and bumper, don't worry, it's got a hood and bumper, but honestly I'm probably not gonna put the bumper back on because it looks sick without the bumper, and the bumper that he does have with it is not that cool looking, so I probably won't do that. He's got like aftermarket taillights, which I think looks so terrible. Look at that design, like what? Anyway, it's a 2003 Nissan 350Z. It's motor swapped, so it could be a DE or an HR, I'm not sure. I'll have to look into knowing what it is. But it's got a rebuilt title, that's why I got it for $5. When I looked at it, I looked at the frame, and as you can tell, the frame, well, you can't really tell actually, it's kind of hard to tell, but the frame is actually in very good condition. It's no crinkles, nothing wrong with the frame, no rust. There's barely any rust on the whole car, and the one part that there is rust on is underneath, and he has the extra part for it anyway in the trunk, which he gave me like a trunk load of extra parts too. I'm extremely excited, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a full in-depth walk around next video of the car, a little walkthrough of it. Unfortunately, I can't give you a review of the actual like driving experience yet for a multitude of reasons, but I'll get into that next video. This is just the actual video of me picking it up. I'm just extremely excited to get started on this. I'm also extremely grateful for you guys, because if it wasn't for you guys, I probably wouldn't have been able to get this car. My uncle and my dad, they didn't want me buying a sports car just to waste my money on it, which makes sense. I live in a snowy area. I live up in Connecticut, where buying a rear-wheel drive 350Z isn't smart. But I used YouTube to my advantage. I said, guys, I want to make content for my YouTube subscribers and get popular on YouTube. I want to blow up on YouTube. So they were like, all right, you can get yourself a Z. So thank you guys. Also, thank you guys just for everything. I mean, we're at 2,100 subscribers now. It's mind-blowing how fast we're growing. We're going like 100 subscribers every couple of days. I'm like, that's crazy to me. So thank you guys so freaking much for that. I'm really excited to get started on this with you guys. I have so many plans for this freaking car. But the first step is getting it all fixed up. So you guys got to bear with me for all that stuff. But yeah, thank you guys. Das Vidania. Have a good day.